morning. You know the man was saying, give me all, I'm gonna make you
This and just do what me please and make me grant you it.
that's my son, you know, like him. Anyways, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dakota. If you're new here, if you're returning, welcome back. This is like my second day officially being back home, and I have so much to do. Then I have to like go back to school. Today, you guys are gonna spend the day with me while I do a lot of stuff. On my list, I need to get my SIM card because I lost it while I was in America. I know, very irresponsible of me. Like on my list, I was going to go to the doctor, but I don't feel comfortable in my situation at the moment. Wink, wink. To go. So therefore, I'm gonna put off that till next week. Sadly. Also, I need to take out my hair. Like under this bonnet is a disaster. So we need to like fix all of that. But we're not fix it until we get married. Babe, I'm come back. I'm going to collect something from my friend. Hopefully he has it. Hopefully. Probably get food with my friend because in terms of food involved. So I'll probably get food with my friend as well. Then we'll come back home. I need to propose 2 things to my community. So I need to create the graphics to propose it to my community. Well, I need to create graphics for one, which I've already started. I just need to finish it. I want to create 3 samples. So I go get them choose the best one, we use the best one. Then I need to like ask some money from the community to like give me something to put. What else do I need to do? Oh, I need to call. Well, this I forgot about something. I need to call somebody about something, but I couldn't do the call because I don't have a SIM card for myself, and I don't want when I make one call and the person will come back, them can't get me somebody does. I said, "Make a might be at 9 o'clock onto that. Like my leave was I'm out by 8:30, which I might be about 9 o'clock. I'm gonna get my SIM card by 9:05 the latest, and then with a call by 9:10 the latest because I need to start at out. And then we're gonna do a look at eye shopping for a fridge because I need a fridge. So we're gonna see if we can get a fridge. Yeah, we need to do like all that.
Oh. Boom.
The Lemert Social Club?
Yeah.
Sounds like a bougie club for rich black kids.
No. They have get-togethers, community outreach, cultural enrichment.
Sounds culty.
Hi, are you scared? Did this give you guys a jump scare? This is editing Patrice right here. When I was overseas, I was watching Blackish, right? I had some series downloaded, so when I came to Jamaica, I still had them. Tell me why I went back on Disney searching for Blackish because I finished the season. There's no Blackish. And I was like, it has to be because I have it downloaded on Disney Plus. There's no Blackish. It is only available to Americans. What do you mean? Come on. Are you pranking me? It's working.
Charlie may not have known all the urinal decorum, but he's all right.
You have lost this round. Playing time, 4 hours, 13 minutes. New record.
Okay, maybe I have a little problem.
Just a little bit.
Hi again. You guys haven't seen me in so long. It's all my entrance here. You see? I don't know how to hear it, okay? And the best way to hide something is to cover it up. Just ignore it. Don't mind my head. I need to go to my bed by the hook or by the crook. So this is just gonna have to stay the way it stays. Hopefully no one pops it off. Hopefully no one has bad blood against me. I just sit together a little more first not hold on. So Saturday I can't get my SIM card yet because I just didn't need 1 hour. So we're like 10, 11 o'clock before I go back. But when I get food, my friends told that I feel this check up because they can't get the vehicle. So guys, this is my friend. Oh my god, you look so old. Damn. You got trim now?
Yeah.
More on food. Coca juicy? Coca juicy? More on patty to eat now. Come on, you know. Why not this?
Yes, good.
For real?
Yeah.
You coming at this?
Never have.
Oh yeah, give me.
Yeah.
Guys, Rumika have me in an NCB and a stove. You don't have any small apple? How much for the apple, Jay? You have any for cool? Can I get one apple, Jay, please? So we're still in NCB. Like, I don't know, but NCB has like one of the worst customer turnover. Worst. Literally, they have one of the worst. Cause I've been to like Jane, I've been to social with people, and they move so efficiently when compared to NCB. I'm starving, but we have to wait until he starts his business because he's the one spending money, not me. I joke. I just say 12 weeks. But even I need a lot to do this so their system is down, so I have to wait. But NCB really kill my spirit. Guys, me own the fridge, right? Because I'm not in the fridge in my yard. I'm on one fridge myself. Now stop showing yourself. Bye today? I'm calling money. We need to call you money, sorry. I appreciate your little feedback, but we need to call you money. No, I'm gonna share. This is such a weird ass answer. I only bought fries and big buck over here bought a big ass food. I'm gonna go on my review.
You had this sauce in there.
Even though like the sauce that they use, but you can't want. Let me. No, I'm not only my food. I'm put my food. We're going to try my fries. Let's try. Oh, they look good. They feel very soggy, like them old. It does taste very old, and it's very soggy. And I'm not about to feel I want it to eat. Shot with the home. And I'm not home by myself. I'm home with company. And my company is my brand new fridge that I just bought. It is so pretty, so smexy. I already unboxed it. I'll put on back the box and do like an unboxing. Guys, let's do a fridge unboxing. Ooh, it have a new fridge smell there. I don't know what that smell, but I say it smell. So it's a two-door fridge. This is the freezer compartment. And it can hold my ice cream cake them on the back and my ice cream popsicle them on the front and my drumstick them right as well. That's the main purpose of this fridge. Ice cream. When you come a little lower, right? This is the bottom part. It has this tray right here. It should fit everything I eat and use on a daily. And when I put no vegetable and something in my fridge, because well, when I mean vegetable, like vegetable, I mean like seasoning, because it give an odor. And my fridge not smell so. Right, so I have this little compartment right here. Then we also have this right here for my juices. I'm gonna feel like I said this. Something look like something pretty wrong. But I can't take it out, so I guess it's fit. All this work, I don't know. And then they have the door. Door can hold in good so. Here's the manual. I don't know what it's for. I just have a shiver of the ice if it freezes up. I don't know. That's a big paper stuff. Remember, no, the ice cream can hold in there, and that's how we can right now. So, I'm in the middle of cleaning, and I've reached a very long way. But I need to quickly go on a break to create a form for my committee to fill out and like complete it. I'm going to give you guys this in a time lapse. So, yeah. inside the phone. It's pretty simple as I've said. What is this you sent me? I can't load it. I do it, I just send it to the girl I'm communicate with, and she could access it, which is a good thing. So let's publish it, and I'm gonna ask her to try again, which she's gonna be doing. It should be about 16 of us on this committee. So like after I finish, after I get everybody something, I'm gonna create everything and schedule it. Well, not me, me and the PR work on it, and then I just create and then I just give her what she do, and she do all of that. Which I love. She seems cool. I haven't really met anyone in person as yet. This is like some lots of days later, but I didn't do an outro for the video, and I'm going to do the outro now. And I'm telling myself, if you're going to do the outro, might as well show the people what your friend back there. I got these is some marker. They're for my scrapbooking because I want to scrapbook more. I was scrapbooking like being back and going to my scrapbook. It brought back so much memory. And I was like, I remember this day. Yeah, I love this food. Scrapbooking is very good for me mentally. Okay. Then he also bought me these. There are some stamps, some little stamps. Also, once again, for my scrapbook, because a girl is going to take it up as a full-time hobby. And then the last thing that he bought me was this light. It is so pretty in the night, like it's a galaxy type of light, and it is so very pretty. And that's everything that he bought me for my birthday and for like my summer gift and everything. And I'm super grateful for them, like so grateful for them. Nonetheless, this is where this video ends for you guys. This is me at the moment. I'm editing, I'm combing my hair, I'm recording a whole other video because the grind never stops. Okay. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. At first I thought it was very shitty, like can't save type of shitty, but the more I edited, the more I saw that I could save it.